How can I get a value from a cell of a data frame? I have constructed a condition that extracts exactly one row from my data frame. Now I would like to take a value from a particular column. But as a result, I get a data frame that contains one row and one column, i.e., one cell. It is not what I need. I need one value, one float number. How can I do it in pandas?
If you have a data frame with only one row, then access the first, only, row as a series using illet, and then the value using the column name.
These are fast access methods for scalars.
You can turn your one-by-one data frame into a NumPy array, then access the first and only value of that array.
Most answers are using illoc, which is good for selection by position. If you need selection by label, loc would be more convenient. For getting a value explicitly, equiv to deprecated.get_value a.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.